Take command of the road in the 2006 GMC Yukon XL 1500. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and power front seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.